In this video, I will give a quick overview of the tools available to you in the large chart section of a channel. To open the large chart for any channel, click on the chart button on the channel widget. This chart will restart whenever a channel starts a heat cycle. So this chart is all measured data from the last time a heat cycle started and will keep running after the cycle stops. The first tool available is being able to add notes. To do this, click the Add button, select the line where you want to add the note, and then type it out. To change a note, simply double-click it and then modify it. To remove a note, select it and then click the Remove button. You can add or remove notes whenever you think they are necessary. If you want to zoom into the chart, just click and drag a rectangle around the area you are interested in. Once you're done, click the Refresh button on the top left of the chart to reset the view. Clicking on the Settings button allows you to add the charts from other channels to this chart for comparison. To remove an added channel, unselect it from the Settings button. To hide the set point line, unselect it in the Settings window too. If there are channels slaved to this one, you can hide all of them here. To set the spacing between the grid lines, you can force interval values. Simply set the time between the lines, the temperature between the horizontal lines, and the start and end temperature you want to see on the chart. Now, if you look at the top of the chart, you can see the grid line spacing has been changed to match what you set it to. Making modifications to the chart like this will hide the notes until it is reloaded. Simply click Main Screen and then on the Chart button again to reload it with the notes. Thank you for watching. Please check out the rest of the video tutorials on how to use the user-friendly HeatView software, or go to heatview.ca and click on the Contact Us button if you need any more support.